Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to our YouTube channel Chef's Compass. So today we are traveling to a temple city Madurai. So Madurai is around 400 kilometers from Bangalore and we'll be taking Salem Dindigul route. We started from our home around 5:30 a.m. in the morning. We started early just to avoid the traffic and since some road work is going on, we just wanted to uh, reach our destination early. So we are planning to reach Krishnagiri at least by 8 a.m. For the breakfast at Murugan Idli shop. So in the Murugan Idli shop, we just tried some wheat halwa, the idli and vada. Wheat halwa was little too sweet for our liking, but idli vada was really good, and even coffee was not that good. Rest it was good. So after having a good breakfast at Murugan Idli shop, we are back on wheels. So NH44, no doubt, it is one of the best road to travel with very limited number of rumblers and potholes. You can expect some traffic as driving should be just fine. You can see the weather was fantastic outside and we just loved our driving. On the way we just found some windmill blades and turbines from some company. I'm not exactly sure like from which company it came from. So we liked our route and it was very good. So around 100 kilometers from Madurai, you can see like there are these beautiful mountains which we found on the way. So these are called as Sirumalai mountain ranges. This is part of Tamil Nadu. It's a hill station basically. So these mountains are like these are the last of the Eastern Ghats in southern India. So we had a pit stop there and we took some pictures and even the drone shots which you can see right now. Finally, we reached Athens of East, Madurai. One interesting fact, Madurai is also called as Tunganagaram, that is, sleepless city, and Madurai is the cultural capital of Tamil Nadu. Right now, the time is around 2 pm. Before reaching our hotel, we pulled out our drone to capture some aerial shot of the city. You can also see River Vaiga here. The time now is around 2:15 pm. We reached Hotel Grand Sabarees. We were greeted with the welcome drink and we were checked into our rooms. The rooms were very nice, clean, and after check-in, just about 100 meters from the hotel, we found a good restaurant, Hotel New Sri Sabarees. We had South Indian meals along with veg parota. It was very tasty. Overall, a good restaurant with a friendly staff and good food. At around 4 pm, we set out to visit Meenakshi Amman Temple. We took an auto as the roads were very narrow here and the weather was pretty hot for a walk with our daughter. So Meenakshi Amman Temple has four main gopurams. We opted to enter from South Gate as it was closest to the Sanctum Sanctorum. We took 100 rupees ticket which includes special entry to both Meenakshi Amman Temple as well as Sundareswarar Temple. One more important thing is electronic gadgets, bags and umbrellas are not allowed inside the temple. You can keep it in the lockers which is just outside South Gate. We had a very good darshan of both Meenakshi Amman as well as Sundareswarar. Both the temple inside were very beautiful with a lot of sculpted pillars, and there was one such place called as Iron Uncle where we came to know that there are it was a 1,000 pillared hall. We even saw a lot of wall paintings inside the temple. As we stepped outside the temple, it was a different world altogether. The weather was very nice. We had some dosas, coffees, and we even tried Jigatanda, which is a famous drink in Madurai. As we were walking by, we saw a toy street and we decided to buy some toys for our daughter. And for that night, we called it a day. Next morning, for the breakfast, we had the best pongal, both sweet as kara. It's a must try here. After satisfied breakfast around 10 a.m., we checked out from our hotel room and visited Teppakulam Mariamman Temple. It's a beautiful square tank spread over a huge area of almost 16 acres, located about 4 kilometers east of Meenakshi Amman Temple. One of the main festival areas, Thaipusam, the full moon festival. Teppas use the disc-shaped boats are used to transport idols of both Meenakshi Amman as well as Sundareswarar to this temple. And at the evening, the pond is lit and many food shops open up around the pond, and it's a great option to spend the evening. Due to time constraints, we couldn't explore this vibrant city more. I have mentioned some places here. Do watch the video till the end and also refer to the description box below for the more information on places to eat in Madurai. I hope you liked our journey. Before signing off, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get the notification on upcoming videos from the series. Also, don't forget to drop your suggestions and queries in the comment box below. Thanks for watching the video till the end. We'll meet you at our next destination, Munnar.